Hi and welcome to Learn British English with me, Frank. Today we're going to look at the verbs do and like. We're going to learn some vocabulary, and at the end of the video we're going to put all these things together and form questions and answers. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So first of all, do you remember we said we're going to look at do?
Do.
You remember the conjugation of
Do,
so I do, you do, he or she does, we do, they do, or you plural, you do. Do you have that? Well, when we ask a question with the word do, we have to turn it around. So a question will begin do you. So the conjugation is you do, but when it's a question, you say do you. So how would the questions begin? Do I? Do you? Does he? Does she? Do we? Do they? Do you? Plural. Do you? So remember that. Keep that in mind. We're going to look at the second verb and we'll see why we're doing two verbs together in this lesson. The verb is, remember, like.
Like.
I like. I like. I like. You like. He or she likes. You see the difference there? I like. She likes. We like. They like. And you, plural, you like. So let's combine the question word do and the word or the verb like. So how is it? Do I like? Do you like? Does she like? Does he like? Do we like? Do they like? Do you, plural, do you like? So that's a question asking if someone likes something. So let's think of some vocabulary. How about fruit and vegetables? Can you think of some fruit or vegetables? Potatoes, potatoes. Carrots, carrots. Tomatoes,
tomatoes,
onions, onions. Pepper, pepper. So there we have some vegetables. Let's think of some fruit. Apple, apple. Pear, pear. Orange, orange. Cherry, cherry. Strawberry, strawberry. Now that's 5 vegetables and 5 fruit. Now let's examine them with that question, do you like? So I'll use you and then you can answer. I'll use you in the question. So, do you like potatoes? So, do you like potatoes? The answer would be yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Do you like carrots? Yes, I do. Do you like tomatoes? No, I don't. Well, actually, I do. So you see, a simple question and a simple answer. We could use verbs, actions. So, for example, do you like to walk? Do you like to walk? Do you like to run? Do you like to talk? Do you like to shop? Do you like to study? So these are some words we can use with the question, do you like? So you have the question, do you like? And then the object. Let's look at some other words. Now, if we like something a little, we can say the question, do you like potatoes? And the answer might be, yes, I do. I like potatoes very much. Another question we asked was, do you like to run? And you can say, no, I don't. I don't like to run very much. So you see, we can say I like something, but we can say how much we like it. I like to run. Okay, I like to run very much. Or I like to run a little. With the other words that we practiced, the vegetables, the fruit, the action words, write them down and make sentences using do you like and then the thing. Do you like the fruit or vegetable or the activity? And when you have written the question down and when you have the answer, practice with someone. Ask someone, do you like strawberries? Do you like to talk? Do you like to eat? You could even say, do you like to eat tomatoes? You see how we're building sentences, and that's a brilliant way to learn British English. Now, if you need to practice the alphabet, then click on this video here. If you want to know about numbers or telling the time, then click on this video. Well, thanks for watching and come back soon to continue learning British English with me, Frank. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can keep up to date with all the latest videos. Until next time, goodbye.